Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to, let me go back quickly, here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and find the option auto screen off right here. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options, like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.